where there is excitement. They stay where there is love. I'm going to take you to a place where there is excitement and love to their peak. Yes, it's our Pencildz International Playschool. Come on everyone, let's have a glance of a special day of our school. Yes, it's our first anniversary celebrations, the day of blast. With the blessings of God and support and wishes of all our well-wishers and parents, we have completed one successful year. Thank you everyone for your great support. With regulations, with only 10 children in each slot, the first anniversary celebrations of Pencildz International Playschool are well planned and executed. The school plant is well decorated with colorful balloons and cartoon characters, which made the children feel excited and special. The tiny tots entered into anniversary celebrations and returned home after a half day to narrate some thrilling experience of their day to their parents and siblings. All staff accorded a rousing reception to their young buddies. Balloons, cartoon figurines, candies, puppets, and whatnot. Yes, it was indeed a mesmerizing day for the kids. With all good thoughts, we saw all happy smiling faces. All the students are given an opportunity to perform and express themselves, which in turn tend to build their confidence. Children are not only innocent and curious, but also optimistic and joyful and essentially happy. They are, in short, everything adults wish they could be. More importantly, we cherish the opportunity to introduce to our students various games which emphasize on development of fine motor skills, gross motor skills, hand-eye coordination, team spirit, cognitive and metacognitive development. Play, children learn how to learn. Here you see our tiny tots playing. Yes, let's get into the play. The first activity is ball throw. Yes. Can you see kids throwing the balls? Yes. Playing with balls improves kids' motor skills, hand-eye coordination and timing, which are important parts of the developmental progression of toddlers. We have all our kids enjoying the ball throw here. I hope you can witness the happiness of the kids. Then comes balloon blast. Yes, in particular it is thought that balloons may encourage children to play with others, developing social skills as well as their emotional development through experiencing the shock or surprise of a burst balloon. See our tiny tots' expression when they prick and burst a balloon. Oh my God, so sweet to see. Then comes ball aim. Yes, being adults, we do wish to aim and hit right. Yes, at this age, ball play helps children develop grasping skills, hand-eye coordination, tracking finger muscles, and the ability to move objects from one end and one hand to another. Cognitively, infants and toddlers learn about the properties of balls, like they bounce, they roll down hills and are easy to move and difficult to keep still. See the balls rolling down.